dropping a small piece of metal into the air and watching it burst into flame. We think of metal as stable and fire-resistant. Steel builds bridges, aluminum forms aircraft. Yet some metals ignite simply by touching air or water. These materials fall into two categories. Pyrophoric substances ignite spontaneously below 50 C with no ignition source needed. Others are highly reactive but require a trigger: water, heat, or impact. Both are dangerous, but in different ways. The chemistry is straightforward. Atoms seek stable electron arrangements. When certain metals lose electrons too easily, they react rapidly with oxygen or moisture. If heat is released faster than it escapes, temperature spikes and ignition begins. Sodium, potassium, and lithium. Sodium looks harmless, but even in dry air it slowly reacts with oxygen, forming a gray oxide crust. It must be stored in mineral oil, sealed from both air and moisture. In water, the reaction is immediate. 2Na plus 2HO, 2NaO plus H plus heat. The hydrogen released is flammable. The heat ignites it, producing sparks, flames, or a small explosion. Potassium is more reactive still, burning with a lilac flame. Lithium adds another hazard: it reacts with nitrogen gas directly, sometimes requiring argon storage, not just protection from water and air. White phosphorus, not a metal, but among the most well-known pyrophoric materials. Its auto-ignition temperature is just 30 C, barely above room temperature. Open air on a warm day is enough to set it alight. It must be kept submerged in water at all times, and glows faintly as it slowly oxidizes. Why surface area matters: a solid iron bar won't catch fire. Iron powder will. The difference is surface area. More exposed surface means faster oxidation, more heat, and a greater fire risk. Titanium powder, zirconium, and magnesium ribbon are all treated as industrial fire hazards for this reason. Even though their bulk forms appear stable, fighting metal fire swatter can make things worse. So can standard dry powder and co-extinguishers, which may react with burning metals. Metal fires require Class D agents: sodium chloride compounds or graphite powder, which smother the fire without adding reactive substances. The wrong extinguisher can escalate a small fire rapidly. One family, many personality can metal burn by itself. Yes, when chemistry, heat release, and exposure align. Some metals build cities, some power batteries, and some ignite the moment they meet the world.
Chemistry, making life better.